Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that is a long time coming and that is a closet declutter. I have clothes everywhere and I really just need to purge a little bit. I love watching declutter videos and they always inspire me to want to declutter, so that's what we're doing today. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. We have a lot of fun on my channel doing fashion, clothes, beauty, food. We do everything. We literally do everything. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both of those things would really help me out and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's declutter. Okay, so I think I'm going to break up everything into 3 piles. Keep, sell/donate, and try on because, you know, quarantine's got us a little bulked up this season, so some things might not fit anymore. So I'll have a try on pile as well. So I am the type of person who gets really emotionally attached to clothes. I get emotionally attached to everything. I'm kind of a hoarder in that sense. I don't know, I just think about like how much fun I had shopping for it, or I feel like I'm gonna wear it at some point even though if I haven't, or like it was expensive so I feel bad just like giving it away or something. I don't know, there's just a lot of reasons and it's a problem because I get clothes and I think it's important to also give when you get, to balance the world out, karma, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the time has just come. All these really cute going out tops and you know, we're not going out these days. This shirt's super cute from Urban. I'm not sure if it fits though. We gonna try it. This shirt's so cute. I love the baby pink, but I think it's already too hot for long sleeves. I think I missed my chance to wear this season. I'll keep it though. I wore this to the first tailgate of my senior year. I'm gonna cry. See, clothes just have so many memories to me, like, Okay, we have our first bin done. We have keep, give away, and try on. Okay, so there's actually a consignment store where you can, it's called Dress, it's near my house. And we try to sell like our nicer dresses to that consignment store. So I think I'm gonna put this one aside with some of the other nicer things to try to sell to there. Guys, I got this shirt when I was in Russia and like they just had some iffy translations and this one was one of my favorites, so I had to pick it up. It says bananas versus sorrow. I don't understand it, but I love it. So she's staying for sure. Why does this shirt look like a child's shirt? It's a medium. Okay, so now I'm going through my hanging clothes that were on the rack, and if I'm keeping them, I'm just leaving them on the hanger and putting them back out there because I want to leave as much on hangers as possible. bought this to wear to a graduation party. That didn't happen. I love this little black just slip dress, but I think she's getting too small. This little bundle, a lot of it is like my business clothes, so not gonna get rid of a lot of those. I bought this from Boohoo. You could see it in one of my old hauls, but I'm still trying to figure out how to make the boobs work. I mean, it could be cute maybe with like a bathing suit. I don't know. I wore this to our little Galentine's Day get together. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I'm not doing a very good job with these hanging clothes because these are the clothes that I had at school with me, and that means that I like them. So, and then it's kind of mixed in with like fall stuff. Okay, also I know I did a purge while I was at school, but I put everything aside and now I can't find that pile that I wanted to give away, so that's great. I miss thrifting. I was gonna wear this on the last day of school. That didn't happen. I'm just like depressy right now. It's fine. Do you guys remember Mark Echo? I found this at the thrift and like honestly one of my best thrift finds. Thrift finds that there was ever. This is gonna be a little bit too small for me now. Is anyone obsessed with chainmail like I am? So 2000s, and you guys know how I feel. I love the 2000s. Okay, so I wore this little denim bra top for a theme party and trying to decide if I'll ever wear it again. I mean, where else am I gonna find a jean? Okay, no, keeping it. This shirt's super cute. However, I have never been able to make it fit me, so I've never gotten the chance to wear it, so let's let someone else have a chance. Guys, my mom made this tube top for me. I asked her, I got the two fabrics and I was like, Mom, I need a shirt made out of this, please. So she made me this. Isn't it so cute? With like a pair of jeans. Oh! First birthday dress, so much fun. Okay, this shirt is an extra small. I think I'm gonna try that one on. Just found this box, don't know what season this is. Looks like fall. It's mixed. All right, let's try some clothes on now to decide whether to keep or give away. It is so hard to try stuff on without someone else here. Like, these straps need to be loosened and like, I can't even tell if this fits or not. This is that black top from Urban Outfitters and it still fits. So I'm excited about that because it's really cute. I love the square neck. Alright guys, so this is the final giveaway pile. Lots of colors and patterns in here. I definitely have more that I already separated out, but I cannot find them. A little upset about it, but we will move forward. And then these are the dresses that I'm gonna try to sell to a consignment store because they're a little bit nicer. Yeah, so I can't decide whether I want to do like, what I normally do is sell to like a Plato's Closet sort of place that just like buys stuff, or if I want to do an Instagram sale. I just don't know, because I do have some really nice stuff in here that I don't know if I'll get a fair price for at Plato's, but Instagram sales can also be like annoying, so I don't know. You guys let me know what you think I should do. A lot of it like still has the tags on it. I've never worn it, so I don't know, mixed emotions. But that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really like doing it. It feels great to, you know, just get rid of some stuff to purge. Don't let the size tag inside clothes get you down. It's just a tag. If it makes you feel good, who cares about the size? If you like how it looks on you, who cares about the size? Daily reminder. So that's all I have for you guys today. Stay on fleek, friends. Bye.